Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're just doing a review of this Dearlomum baby playpen. This is my current baby playpen setup, so we needed to upgrade. So we bought this on Amazon. Supposedly it's 59 by 71 inches. So I'm going to unbox it here. This is the box it came with, and we'll see if our little guy likes it. So here's everything that came in the box. A lot of pulls here. Looks like you connect them with these connectors. This is the bottom and the sides of the actual playpen. This is something else. Who knows what these are? Probably something you clip on the edges as well. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse here. We'll start putting it together. It does come with some kind of instructions that look like they will be pretty helpful. So for all these pieces, how many steps did they? Looks like it's only 8 steps. So we'll see how it goes. Here's the final result. It was fairly easy to get put back together, or get put together. And it's fairly good materials. I would say the cushion, I was a little disappointed. I didn't realize the cushion was just foam, kind of like packaging foam in there, but it works all right. It looks fine. It's all covered up so you don't see it. Got all the toys in there, nice big space. They do have 3 extra pieces, each one of the connectors. So I guess if you broke one, you have a few extra on hand, but I don't see if breaking one would ever really happen. It seems pretty sturdy. If you guys got any questions about how this is holding up, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all next time.